The top 8 vitamins for repairing nerve damage, neuropathy. If you experience burning, stabbing, tingling, shooting pains, or numbness in your hands or feet, you are likely suffering from peripheral neuropathy. High blood sugars, injuries, eating too many junk foods and smoking are the most common causes of nerve damage. In this video, we look at the top 8 vitamins and nutrients for your nerves, as well as natural ways to reverse nerve damage and heal peripheral neuropathy. These nutrients help to improve blood flow, which helps to protect and restore the nervous system, the body's electrical switching station. 1. Acetyl-l-carnitine. Acetyl-l-carnitine, also known as ALC, is naturally produced by the liver and kidneys and is frequently supplemented to treat a variety of symptoms. Some studies show that ALC can help with pain control and nerve function in diabetics, and some people undergoing chemotherapy claim it relieves their symptoms as well. 2. B-complex vitamins. B12, B6, and several other vitamins fall into this category. All of these factors contribute to overall nerve health, metabolism, and sensory projection. Many people are deficient in B-complex vitamins because a deficiency can develop after only a few weeks of not getting enough. Folate, or vitamin B9, is found in foods such as oatmeal, while B1 is found in a variety of meats and vegetables. You can supplement by eating more of these foods or talking to your doctor about taking additional supplements. B-complex vitamins should be used with caution because too much of them can be harmful. 3. Alpha-lipoic acid. ALA or alpha-lipoic acid may be able to aid in the reversal of free radical damage and the enhancement of antioxidant effects, which can help to slow or stop nerve damage. After a few weeks of consistent use, it may also help relieve certain neuropathy symptoms such as burning or stabbing pains. There is also some evidence that taking alpha-lipoic acid can help with blood flow and inflammation. 4. Magnesium. According to the Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy, magnesium may be useful in alleviating chemotherapy-related symptoms. Magnesium can be found in dark chocolate, nuts, avocados, and legumes, in addition to over-the-counter supplements. 5. Calcium. Calcium, like magnesium, may be beneficial for those experiencing neuropathy as a result of chemotherapy, according to the Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy. Calcium is found in dairy foods and can be supplemented with over-the-counter products. 6. Glutamine. Glutamate is the most abundant amino acid in the human body, and it has been linked to improvements in chemotherapy side effects such as inflammation, muscle pain, and neuropathy. Glutamine is found naturally in wheat and barley, as well as peanuts, corn, soybeans, egg whites, and milk, and it is also available as a pill or injection. 7. Glutathione. Glutathione is a popular supplement because it is an antioxidant that the body naturally produces. It's also in things like okra, asparagus, and avocados. Because glutathione is broken down by the digestive system and the body does not absorb it, some people supplement it. Your doctor can advise you on the best way to supplement glutathione for chemotherapy-related neuropathy. 8. N-acetylcysteine. NAC is found in a variety of foods, including lentils, beans, and bananas, and may protect the nervous system from inflammation and damage, preventing or worsening neuropathy. In addition to improving neuropathy symptoms, new research suggests that NAC may help with Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Changes in lifestyle can also help to alleviate symptoms. Controlling blood glucose levels is especially important for people who already have diabetes. Neuropathy patients should eat foods high in fiber, low in carbohydrates, and low in inflammation. Physical activity and quitting smoking can also help reduce the risks.